It's been 13 days that my cat's used this, and here's what the app looks like so far. So Tiger used it 2 times today, and on average he's been there for 90 seconds. And here you can see what the work logs look like. But now it's time to change the bag in the litter box, and just for example, here's what the top part looks like. So you can see the bottom is pretty full, so this wasn't able to spin around. Here you could see some chunks. So now it's time to replace the bag and open it up. Just pull the drawer out. And it's actually kind of tight just because there's a lot going on here. And right now it's flashing on and off because the drawer is opened. And I also received a notification on my phone that says waste drawer displaced. And I can just pull it out. And that's what it looks like. So yeah, this is really full. And to take it out, I can just do this. Oh yeah, that's a lot of feces, yeah. This bag is pretty heavy. But once I pull it down, all the waste goes to the bottom. And then I can easily just fold this over, close the bag up. Just like so. And now it's ready for the trash can. And I'll put this to the side for now. And as you can see the drawer, here's what it looks like on the inside. So the only thing I see is like this little white piece, so I'll throw that out too. And now it's time to put the next bag in here. And this is what the bags look like. I just pulled the next one out. Right there, we got the logo Pet Snowy. And then open it up, and this can be inserted right here. Insert it on the other side. And then just pull this up and do the same thing over here. Just like that. And then the drawer can be inserted in. And now when I open it up, there. And there, the light is no longer red. And here we could see waste drawer displaced. So it's all ready to go. And here's what the top looks like now. And let me do a quick clean. And I'll give that a few minutes to work. All right, so now here we can see the app is finished. So it was saying that it was cleaning in progress. But now let's take a look up top. And there, that looks a lot better. And I can also put a little bit more litter in here since it's looking kind of light. And there, that should be good. I'll close that up. So that's how to take out the waste from the Pet Snowy Snow Plus automatic litter box.